Very good. I love you. So let's go. I'm sorry. Hi. So, going to eat that food was a very bad idea because after I ate it, I was just tired. Like, I was just done. I was just done and I did not feel like doing anything, but I had to because I have to clean up the house before I travel so that, it's kind of presentable when you come back, that kind of stuff. And every time I'm traveling, like, I feel, every time I'm traveling, right, I feel like I don't have, like I'm not carrying a lot, maybe one or two things. My bag is going to be empty, you know, and all of that. And then this happens, guys. I I don't even know what to drop, what to carry anymore. Like I think I've done my best, and I don't want to carry more than one bag. So and my hand luggage. So oh, I don't know how this is going to work, but it has to work. It has to work. So yeah, that's what we are up to. I think we are supposed to resume. We are supposed to resume school or something.
January, I'm going to do school January. By the time this is as well, right after.
We tire you. We just tell them thank you. Now. I know you run away. Even if you run more than that. Oh my god. Final shot. Oh. Tina, come and say hi to my vlog. Hello. Merry Christmas in advance. Why are you walking towards the camera? Come and say hi. Come and say Merry Christmas. Come and say Merry Christmas. Hansel. You don't want to say Merry. You're hiding like your daddy. You better do. Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
No. Say Merry Christmas.
Open door for Auntie Rhoda.
Auntie Rhoda is here.
You didn't see Rhoda?
Hi, baby. I missed you so much. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you, my shadow, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Deborah, say hi. See it. Hi.
We wish you
Hi. Why are you speaking your business?
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year. You're not dancing. You know what's that? Let's see the girl. Let's see the girl. Love you.
Love you.
Who is that girl? Who is that girl running into my room? Hi. How are you? Mwah. What are you looking at? What's your mouth? Madam. Where is she? Say bye. How are you guys doing? What has been happening? What's going on? It's your girl. Okay, my guest just arrived. How have you been? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's so exciting to be back here, and not just back here, but back here in the new year. A special, amazing time, a special, amazing year that I believe is going to be a blessing to everyone here. I actually recorded videos in December and all. I had a very let me not call it names, but a crazy November, to be honest. And I did record a rant, talking about that season of my life and all. But you know what? It's a new year. Let's leave the past in the past. I'll probably give you guys the gist, over time and all. But it's a new year. Today is 2nd of January, and I'm starting my year on an exciting note, to be honest. There's this event that I and my friends have organized, and it's a solid team to be honest, have organized for the past, I think how many years now? 5 years. This is the 6th year. This is the 6th edition, and it's going down today, going up in the name of Jesus. So I'm going to be taking you guys along on all of that, and I'm just really excited to have you here. So happy new year. Wish me happy new year in the comments. And I hope that this will be a year where we'll be consistent, and I will keep my promises to you to serve you content, lifestyle, share my faith, and just my journey. And thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for coming back. Have I prayed God's blessings over you? If I have, I pray it again. so much. I pray that if you had a hard year in 2022, this year will not be like that. It will be so much better. And if you had a good year in 2022, 2023 will be 10 times, 100 times, even so much better. At the end of the year, when you take stock of all the things that have happened, the difference will be clear. I hope that you guys can hear me. And yeah, I love you. So let's go. I think I'm late. I'm supposed to have an early morning because I'm one of the organizers. I'm supposed to go and organize and just prepare. So I love you guys, and I'll see you. Bye. My little assistant for today. I'll say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, wave at everybody. Say hi. Say hello to everybody. Hello.
Hello.
Feel like I live on the moon. I feel like I'm touching the sky. I feel like I live on the moon. I feel like I'm touching the sky. All I'm here on the sun, on the sun, on the sun,
You're going on YouTube, bro. If you never dance for your life, it's too serious for life. I bet how much sorrow you.